wanted to build a local AI agent using our new Hermes agent and then with Gemma model completely offline. Of course, we all know the concerns with using models, these closed source models that are online. It comes with billing, it comes with your data privacy being online. So I wanted to try the Gemma local model with the new Hermes AI agent. But then I hit several roadblocks, which I noticed in other tutorials you don't get to see. So I decided to put up a tutorial about this one just to explain all the challenges along the way and then how you can get from your normal command prompt script to what you're seeing right now. I downloaded Gemma online, then installed it, and then I also installed my Ollama, my Windows. I installed Hermes Agent. But what do I get? I got this error on the screen. And after several hours of debugging, I decided to show you how to properly install Hermes, how to connect it to Gemma locally, how to avoid re-downloading your model. Then some networking mistakes along the line because my Gemma and my Ollama were already installed in my Windows, but my WSL and Windows do not use the same local host. So for now, what we're building our Hermes agent. We're downloading our Hermes agent on our Windows system using the WSL. Then we're going to install Ollama. Then we're going to install Gemma. So before installing anything, you want to make sure that you have the WSL working on your Windows machine. So for you to do that, I already have mine installed, but for you to do that, what you just quickly do is to type your command here, WSL install. So this will install WSL, then also install Ubuntu on your system. From there, you want to make sure you install Ollama too. So for you to install Ollama, you simply type this command, or you can just quickly check how to install Ollama from the official site. So if you just come to Ollama installation on Google here, so this is the command here. You want to grab this real quick, then head over to your Ubuntu environment and then you install this. So I already have mine running locally. So after the installation, you want to link your local model. Like if you've downloaded a local model, any other type of local model, maybe if Gemma or Kimi or GLM, you can connect it to your Ollama. You don't need to re-download it. So for that, you just need to check where exactly you downloaded yours and or where you saved yours. For mine, I saved mine in my Windows C directory. Quickly come here, this PC, come to Windows. I have a folder called local AI. This is where my Gemma model is. To access that on the WSL, this is the command here. You type ls/mnt/c. This is for my C drive. Then this is my folder, local AI. Now you see my local model is here. You want to point Ollama to this directory. And how you do that is export Ollama models equal to /mnt/ your C drive, then the folder you must have saved your model. So this will actually prevent you from going through the stress of downloading it again. So you press enter, then echo export Ollama models equal to /mnt/ your C drive. So by doing this, you point your Ollama to where your local drive is. So after this now, what you want to do is to verify that you have Ollama installed. Then also you want to verify that your model exists. So you type Ollama list. This is how you verify your model exists. So this is my model. It means I've successfully pointed my model, my Ollama to my local AI model, which is sitting in my Windows directory. After this now, you want to test. You can decide to test it with this. Let's just say you say CURL http://localhost/11434 API tags. So this is it. This is my model. This is size. This is the quantization level. So now we verified we have our local model running. Now we'll move on to installing Hermes. To install Hermes, the command to install Hermes is curl and also you want to verify every command you're typing. You don't just want to type. Most times, people on the internet, especially the malicious guys, they want to use commands you do not really know about to exploit every Windows weakness you have, or maybe every port, open port or something you have on your system. So you need to verify every command you're typing with the official documentation. So for installing Hermes now, you can just quickly go to Hermes documentation on installing on WSL. Now this is the official documentation here. And this is your installation code here. You want to copy this, you take this to your WSL environment and then you paste and then press enter. So for mine, I've already installed it. So quickly check for the installation. So quickly check for the installation. You just type M's version after yours have finished installing. So for this what I have. This is my Python version. This is my OpenAI SDK. So after your installation, you want to do your setup. So you just quickly type M's setup. After your installation, this is you are supposed to take you to. Or here you quickly press on enter for the first option. For mine, I already have my Gemma installed here. But since you're installing yours from fresh, you just come to this point here, custom endpoint, enter URL manually. This is it. Then you type in your base URL. So that should be, let me get it, HTTP localhost 114.34 version 1. So these are base URL. It will access our API key and this is optional, so you can just press enter. We don't need that for now. Then for this one, you need to pick on 2, chat completeness. Then here you just press Y. This is telling you the model that has detected. By now yours will be showing here with the name you give to it. So you press enter. So the context length for this is 64,000. Then display name, you don't want to give it a display name, just type Gemma. Hermes. So for terminal backend, you want to keep everything local. Then for Telegram, if you want to connect yours to Telegram, you can easily do that, or you can just set up, skip, and then you set up later. For this tutorial, I'm going to skip because there are a bunch of documentation online already showcasing that, and then the emphasis here is to install on Windows. For now, we just skip. And then give it a little time to set up. So that has finished setting up. So check if our Hermes agent is working properly now. We just need to type on Hermes. This is our interface. Then we can just say hello there. Are you Hermes or are you up and running? Since this is a local PC, it takes some time. Depend on the capacity of your PC. So these are reply. Yes, hello, I'm up and running, ready to assist you. How can I help you today? So this shows our EMS agent running locally from in our Windows machine. We don't have any connected model to it. There is no billing to this. And this shows when trying to build a local model, you are not just dealing with a model you just download and then you start prompting. You're dealing with runtimes, inference server, networking, memory system orchestration, and things like tool calling. So if your apps have been failing, especially if you're using Windows, I hope this tutorial, this video helps you and then you understand why it's failing at the first place. For more of this content, you can like, subscribe. See you next time.